Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys outside with me to shoot some pics. I get asked every single day, how do I take my Instagram pictures or who takes my Instagram pictures? And sometimes it's just me. So I want to show you guys how I take my pictures when there's no one to take them for me.
As if.
So I'm switching to my camera, so what you need is a cell phone tripod and a cell phone. When I find the spot that I want to shoot in, I go ahead and set up the tripod, put my phone in, and turn the camera on and put it on self-timer. I just go to where about I think it'll be shooting, pose, wait for the click, and then go back and review. It looks a little something like this. Well, not a little something, exactly like this. After the click, I go back and I review, see what I need to change, what I need to improve, what I need to move. And in this case, I didn't really like the angle of where my phone was. So I adjusted the tripod so that it was coming from a lower angle. Pro tip, it helps make your legs look longer and a little slimmer. I'm 5'2", so I gotta do what I can. I do this in public, so occasionally people walk by and are like, what is she doing? But they only stop by for a second, and I mean, they think about me for approximately 10 seconds and then get on with their day. And same for me, I just keep going, you know? If this is what you love and this is what you want to do, you can't be afraid or embarrassed or whatever. Just do you, boo. I just keep reviewing, shooting again, reviewing, shooting again. I take probably about 100 pictures, not gonna lie, just to make sure I got the right shot. And with self-timer, it takes them in burst. So when I'm done shooting, I go back and I go through all the burst, pick which ones I like, which ones I think maybe something kind of cool. Sometimes I pick wacky ones just to see what they turn out to be. And that's all there is to it. Now you've got some Instagram shots. All by yourself, girl. Alright, y'all, that's it. It's super simple when you have the right equipment. You just have to not be embarrassed to be outside by yourself with a tripod. And who cares? You're just taking pictures of yourself. You're cute. You're in a cute outfit. Work it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, concerns, leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you never miss an upload.